I am back at it again. I'm giving stuff away for free. A couple years back, my coach told me, Ozzie, start giving stuff away for free. Just coach, train, lead, motivate, become the authority, become the resource for as many real estate agents and as many home buyers as you possibly can, and just watch the magic happen. So I did it a couple years ago, started in 2022. I'll be honest, I kind of fell off. I got so busy in business that I focused on growing my brokerage, and now I want to get back into coaching because I enjoy it. I love it so much. So I'm going to be giving away so much free education that it's going to go crazy. All the free education that I can. I'm going to be dropping it on Instagram. I'm going to be dropping it on YouTube. I'm going to drop it on our Facebook pages. I am going to work to give away as much stuff for free as humanly possible. The goal is to grow the agent community, help as many agents as I can, and in the process, just enrich people's lives. So I'm going to drop more videos all the freaking time. I want you to watch. It's going to be everything from personal growth, personal life, to coaching your real estate team, to growing a brokerage from 0 to over 100 agents, growing your sales from 0 to over $140 million in sales a year like I did, from going from 0 transactions to over 650 transactions a year like me and my companies. I want to teach you all the things that I know, all the mistakes that I made, just get you up on game so you don't have to make the same mistakes that I did. And I'm giving away as much as humanly possible for free. So stay tuned. I'm going to be dropping a video a week in email. Wait for my videos to come out in the email. I'm going to put them on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, all that stuff. So check me out there as well. And let's get educated and let's grow together. If you need coaching, those will also be in the email. I'll be dropping links for one-on-one coaching sessions. First couple may be free. Then I'm actually going to charge on some stuff. But let's just start with getting to know each other and getting your business grown and dialed in so you can have the best 2026 possible. I hope this helps. I love you guys. Talk to you later.